Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to enable and use table styles in Microsoft Word. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document. Once you have your table inserted, head over to the Design tab or the Table Design tab on the top menu. This is where you'll find a variety of table styles to choose from. Now take a look at the selection of table styles available. These styles offer different combinations of colors, borders, and shading. Simply hover your mouse over each style to preview it in your document. When you find the one that suits your needs, click on it to apply it to your table. But wait, there's more! You can also customize the table style to match your preferences. Just right-click on the applied style and select Modify Table Style. Here you can tweak the font, colors, borders, and more to create your own unique look. Once you've customized your table style, don't forget to save it. Click on the New button in the Modify Table Style dialog box, give your style a name, and hit OK. Now you can easily apply your custom style to any table in your document. And that's it! You now know how to enable and use table styles in Microsoft Word. With just a few clicks, you can give your tables a professional and polished appearance, making your documents stand out. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enable table styles in Microsoft Word. See you on my next video.